Today we are going to learn how we can calculate without divide and conquer matrix multiplication. Suppose we have this A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One matrix is that, and the second matrix is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, like that. So if we are going to multiply A into B, that is C is equal to A into B, then what will come inside? Because so first what will do, 1 into A plus 2 into E plus 2 into E, like that we are going to do. We are going to write here. So we can say simply like that, 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Why we write like this? Because here the dimension are 3 into 2, 3 rows 2 columns, so we can say simply P into Q. Or here dimensions are 2 into 4, we can say 2 rows and 4 columns, so Q into R. So because Q are equal, so we can multiply them. So if we are multiplying them, so here what we are doing, we are doing 2 multiplication and 1 addition. In first row, first column, 2 multiplication and 1 addition, like that. So that's the I have written here 2 2 2. So total, what will be the dimension? Dimension will be 3 into 4, 3 into 4. If we are, because here we know multiplication is costly than the addition, so we are taking only multiplication, we are neglecting the addition. So total multiplication, how much it will be? P into Q into R, that will be 3 into 4 into 2. So that we can say total 24 multiplication. 24 multiplication. Or if we, instead of P, Q, R, we are taking if N for calculating the time complexity only, so we can simply say order of P, Q, R, that is order of N, Q multiplication in respect of multiplication. Or in respect of space, we can simply say N square plus constant, because no stack is there, no stack we are using, so N square we can simply say. This is, we are using without divide and conquer. But if we do the same thing with divide and conquer, so then what is the difference? The first thing we should take care that if matrix size, if matrix sizes, because we are doing multiplication, sizes are less than or equal to 2 into 2, so we can simply say this is a small problem. We can simply say this is a small problem. But if given matrices, the second thing we need to take care, the given matrices should be square matrices. Square matrices, or we can say the power of 2. And the third thing, if sizes of matrices should be power of 2. If it's small, so sizes are less than 2 into 2, then we can say small problem. But if given matrices always be square matrix, or we can say sizes of matrices should be power of 2. So suppose if we are taking example like this, 1 2 5 6 3 4 7 8 9 10 13 14 11 12 15 16. If we take a matrix like this, so we divide it like this, so that it will be 2 into 2. Divide like this, so we can simply write like A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the first matrix we have taken, and the second matrix we take like this. So here we also divide like this. And here we are taking, instead of, because these are characters, so we'll take ASCII value of this character. So B11, B12, B21, B22. So this is 4 into 4 size, this is 4 into 4 size. So if we multiply with them, so C will be equal to, like this, it will be C11, C12, C21, C22. So how we are going to calculate it? Right here, C11 is equal to A11 into B11, A11 into B11 plus A11 into B21, 11 into B21. Like that we do calculation. Here this first, this time, and this time, row versus column. So and C12, what will come? C12, this A11, A11 into B12 plus A12 into B21, and C21 is equal to A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21, and C22 is equal to A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. Like that, as similar simple way we do the multiplication. So like this. So for what purpose we are writing like this? We are writing how many calculation and addition we are doing. So total 8 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 times 4 by 2, because this is 4 and calculating by 2, so 4 by 2 plus 4 addition. How many additions we are doing? 4 addition and total 8. So 84 by 2 plus 4 addition. So total amount of time required. So in the similar way, if we do for 8, so it will be 8 by 2 plus 4. Here 4 addition of size 4 by 2, but here if we do, so 4 addition of size 8 by 2, like that. So in the similar way, if we do 64, so it will be 64 by 2 plus 4 addition of size 64 by 2. Like that we can calculate it. So how much time complexity is required? So how we can solve this reconciliation, we will learn in the next lecture.